Hello friends, I'm Ismail Kaka, my YouTube channel. Kaka Currency Updates. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification and press the bell. The exchange rates of the US dollar continued this evening Wednesday to stabilize near the level of 150,000 Iraqi dinars per 100 US dollar note for the third day in a row, while some exchange offices returned to resume buying and selling operations after they were suspended for days, closed its action this afternoon at a price of 151,000 Iraqi dinar per 100 US dollar. Our correspondent mentioned the exchange rates in a number of areas in Baghdad where the exchange rates were as follows. Al-Harithia Stock Exchange sale rate, 150,750 Iraqi dinar purchase rate, 149,500 Iraqi dinar Al-Mansour exchange sale rate, 152,000 Iraqi dinar purchase rate 100 city sale, 152,000 Iraqi dinar against 100 US dollar purchase rate, 155,000 Iraqi dinar against 100 United States dollar.